I think it's important as a businessman to stand apart. I think we try and do that both with our merchandise and also being part of the community. Raleigh is home, and we recognize that we've been very blessed, very fortunate, and feel important to give back. I think a lot of voices are not being heard, and we can do better. It shouldn't be about electing somebody for life because you've so designed the district that, hell, I could be elected. That should scare everyone. And this isn't about Democrat or Republican. Come on, I want some people that are going to represent me, represent the state in a very dynamic manner moving forward. Research Triangle Park wouldn't have happened without forward-thinking people. We have this wonderful clientele. They're a very diverse group, many religions, many colors. It seems like we need that in government as well. I'm Dennis Mayfield, and I am here today to say gerrymandering has got to go.